Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, and from a trading perspective, actually a very interesting setup going into Tuesday, and that just revolves around the fact that, you know, the price is once again hovering down around an interesting area. Why is this area interesting? Well, the past time the price was down around this 560 mark, which is what the green line is representing. You can see that not only did buyers show up, buyers actually showed up in the amount, to create a nice little bounce right here. And you fast forward to the current price action, and once again, the price is right down around here. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because last time the price bounced when it was down around 560 does not mean that for sure, 100% guaranteed, this thing is bouncing again. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce, Tuesday or, later on in the week? No, that would not be shocking at all. However, no such thing as a guarantee, so myself nor anyone else consider and say that a bounce is for sure going to happen. But it's at least logical right now to think that a bounce is going to happen. Case in point, when the price got up here and then just started to fall and fall and fall. At no point to say, I wonder if it's going to bounce. I mean, it gave you no reason to think that it would bounce. But now where the price stands, not only is the price actually going sideways here a little bit, but it's going sideways down here at a previous area where it has bounced from. So again, a guarantee? No. But is it at least logical? Is it at least a rational thought to be wondering that? Yeah, absolutely. So if you haven't kind of connected the dots, key area of support is definitely right down here around $5.60 for the simple reason, if the price does not hold above 560, well then by definition, that would be the price putting in new lows. And new lows are not a bottom, right? Because, well, it's new lows. And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they really do insult your intelligence. So 560 is going to be that key level of support. In the event the price does start to bounce, where are some potential areas of resistance? As it stands right now, in the very near term, the first key level is going to be right around the $6 mark. If the price can push through 6, next key level after that, up around $6.40. And if the price can actually get some closes up above $6.40, I'm sure I'd be back to update the chart at that point in time. But again, from a trading perspective, from a chart perspective, interesting setup going into tomorrow. So we'll see if this can repeat history and get any sort of bounce or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.